Welcome to Stine Seed Farm Tour. I'm David Thompson. We're going to be talking about all the things that make Stein unique in our business, from soybean breeding to corn breeding and development to our innovative production practices and our biotechnology facilities. To start things off, we're going to talk about a little overview of the company. I've got Myron Stein here with me. Myron, what can you tell me about the history of Stine Seed Company?
This farm that we're standing on right now was actually farmed by my grandfather in the 1930s. And then my father took that over. And then in the late 1960s, he began soybean breeding. Late 1972, 1973, he began corn breeding. And then late 1970s, we began our retail brand.
Give me a snapshot of where we are today then.
So today, if you look at our soybean program, we're considered one of the most successful and the largest soybean program in the industry. A majority of the genetics planted today are derived from our soybean program. If you look at our corn program, 75% of the corn that Stein brand sells today is a proprietary hybrid that has an inbred line that has been developed in our corn breeding program.
Wow, pretty neat for a family farm in Iowa. So obviously our business is very competitive. I mean, what does it take for Stine Seed Company? What has it taken for us to be successful? And what do you think it's going to take for us to be competitive in the future?
So we really think there are 4 different items that a seed company will need to deliver product to the farmer in the future. And the number one thing is germplasm. So we feel that between our 2 breeding programs, we have 2 of the most successful germplasm bases in existence right now. The next thing would be traits. At this point, because we're a privately held, smaller company, we're able to collaborate with a number of people because they'd like their traits in our germplasm. Whenever we do a collaboration, we want to make sure that our brand has priority access to that technology. So we have the traits. We also have a biotech division, which has our own transformation technology. And that allows us to put traits and things into our germplasm, no strings attached, which is awful nice. Then the last thing we have is we have a channel, or we have a way to get that product to the farmer. So we have the 4 components to be successful.
So really for Stein customers, the payoff is the traits that they want and quality genetics from Stein for maximum yields and profitability.
That's correct. Yield is everything that we focus on.
And ultimately, it all adds up to profitability for our grower customers.
Absolutely. That's our top focus.
Great. Thank you, Myron. So that's an overview of Stine Seed Company, and we'll also learn more about our corn breeding program, our soybean breeding program and testing program, biotechnology resources, and some of the innovative production practices we have here at Stein. And ultimately, it all adds up to our commitment to our grower customers, provide outstanding products for maximum yields and profitability.